Hello, besties. This is Deh. Yesterday, you asked what I thought about LKB's civil defense in the Dinto case, and I'm answering that in this video. So like, share, and follow. Over the past few days, many of you asked for my opinion on LKB's performance at the first hearing, while at the same time, I saw a lot of criticism going around. So let's be very direct. The first hearing was not a defense. It was a testing ground. The judge basically let Dinto talk too much, get tangled, contradict themselves, and legally speaking, dig their own grave. When a judge tells a party to reconsider their claims, that's basically an institutional warning. In simple terms, recalculate the route, because at this rate, it will go wrong. About LKB, I understand why some people felt their posture was passive. They work in low-profile mode, no spectacle, no show for the audience. And this can give an impression of weakness to those watching from the outside. But in reality, many strong defenses are like this: quiet in the media, but surgical in court. In my view, they did well. They countered the points, allowed Dinto to contradict themselves, and that's part of the strategy. Besties, legal battles are not decided in the first hearing. This was just the warm-up. There's still a long road ahead. I truly believe that after the second hearing, Dinto will already be much more weakened, and from what Go Sang-rak himself has been signaling, he seems to think along the same lines. Now, yes, I do have one criticism. In terms of external communication and media relations, I think there's a lack of a stronger positioning. Not about revealing evidence, not about creating a circus, but about occupying the narrative space. Because if you don't control the narrative, someone else will. So my final view is, legally, they are doing well. Procedurally, the first hearing was just the warm-up, but strategically in the media, they can definitely improve. And honestly, I think these brands will lose. About a settlement, I don't rule it out completely, but it's important to remember that settlements are often interpreted as an admission of guilt. And Arobe, Kim Soo-hyun's cousin, made it very clear from the beginning that he does not want a settlement. Now I will read what Go Sang-rak said, which aligns completely with what I believe. Let's get to what the actor's lawyer said. Yesterday, several articles about the civil were published, but neither the company nor I are paying much attention to them. If the investigation results come out normally, the foundation of the advertiser's civil lawsuits will disappear. I see no possibility that the results will come out abnormally. Kim Soo-hee cannot escape punishment for spreading false information, and if that happens, the advertiser's cases will naturally lose strength and collapse. I am not concerned. I also heard that last night, attorney Boo Ji-suk, who represents the family, repeated those false claims again. He is digging his own grave and seems determined to continue burying himself. To win the advertiser's lawsuits, Kim Soo-hee's arrest is not mandatory. However, if he is arrested, those civil cases will lose their momentum much faster. In the end, the broadcasting platform and the cosmetics company will end up in an embarrassing position, having to continue attacking the victim based on the claims of someone detained for a serious crime. We stand with the actor. That's what the lawyer said. So that's it. If this video helped you understand the situation, like, share, and follow.